Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Here is another video as it relates to the combination of like terms, and we have four big examples to work from. And our first big example is a negative 6m plus 3 times the combination of 7 plus 8m. Big example 2, we have a negative 3r minus the combination of 9 minus 15r. Big example 3, we have 8a plus 10 times the combination of 7a minus 1. And big example 4, we have a negative 4 plus 4 times the combination of 2 minus 6h. And each of these examples has some sort of distributive property. And let's begin with big example 1, in which we have that negative 6m plus 3 times the combination of 7 plus 8m. We're going to distribute that 3 inside the parentheses because we know that 3 times 7 will give us 21, and 3 times 8m will give us 24m. Then we can include the negative 6m right along the outside here, and here's where we combine the like terms because we have an m term here and an m term here, and so we're going to combine 24m to a negative 6m. 24m minus 6m will give us 18m plus that 21, and that is our final outcome for big example 1. And let us move on to big example 2, in which we're going to now put a negative 1 right here. So what we're going to actually say, we're going to say negative 3r minus, okay, a negative 1 here times the quantity of 9 minus 15r. And here it is right here. So we got a negative 3r, and then we're going to distribute this negative 1 inside the parentheses, and we're going to end up having a negative 9 because a negative 1 times 9 will give us a negative 9, and a negative 1 times a negative 15r is actually going to give us a positive 15r because a negative times a negative will give us a positive. And now we can include the negative 3r in the process of working this out. And let us combine the like terms of the negative 3r with the positive 15r. And when we do that, 15r minus 3r will give us 12r minus 9, which is our final outcome for big example 2. And let's move on to big example 3, in which we have that 8a plus 10 times the quantity of 7a minus 1. And when we combine 10 to the 7a, or 10 times 7a, that's going to give us 70a, and 10 times a negative 1 will give us a negative 10. Now we can include the 8a, and then we can combine it to the 70a, and 8a plus 70a will give us 78a minus 10 as our final outcome for big example 3. And let us move on to big example 4, in which we're going to do something very similar, in which we're going to multiply the 4 times the 2, which will give us 8. And then we're going to multiply the 4 times the negative 6h, which will give us a negative 24h. And then we'll bring the negative 4 along. And this is the same as saying 8 minus 4. A negative 4 plus 8, again, is the same as saying 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4, minus 24h, which will be our final answer. And we can also write it as a negative 24h plus 4, interchangeable. You have been given a lot of information, and this would be a good time to pause the video and take a look at how we solve these problems. Or you may replay the video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding, and I'm pretty sure she likes this concept. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.